missed my shoulder roll.
Show the tumble. Do a tumble through the puddle.
I'm not gonna do it through the puddle.
Do it through the puddle. Tumble.
Y'all's wet.
Tumble. This is a great way to start the vlog.
God damn it. All right, fine.
Tumble, tumble, tumble.
Let's roll through the puddle. All right.
Come on.
Now this is my only shirt. I don't have a jacket.
Guess you're going home shirtless.
Oh, dude.
What do you got to say to the vlog?
Fuck, I'm so wet. Oh, dude, where's your wet floor sign?
Can you
Where's
say
big fish with the wet floor sign?
Can you say hello, welcome to the Dream Vlog? This is Friday. We just did some training. This is the first video of the vlog this week.
Oh wait, Chuck's leaving. Hold on, we gotta get hit by the car real quick. God.
Chug,
Is that Aaron Darnell's vlog?
welcome to the vlog. This is the first video of the week.
Welcome to the vlog, bitches.
Say welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Oh! Another shoulder roll, quick.
God,
One more.
I'm
Go.
I'll run into
Go.
Chuck's car again. How about that? Do it to the back. Oh my God.
Bye.
Tinky. I'll be back tonight, okay?
Why are you looking over here all angy looking?
I wonder why.
God, I look so weird clean shaven. This guy about to hit us? Real close.
I hope so. I want the money.
We could use the money. It'd be Saturday. We on our way to Buckeye. You have a singles match against Georgia South.
Yes.
And I'm in a 6-man tag teaming with Voxy Rasputin against Brucey Jack, DDT baby, Da Baker, and the Mean Girl, Austin Blaze.
Oh shit. You're fucked.
Nah, I'm gonna beat the shit out of Austin.
I don't know, he's mean.
But before that, we're about to head out. We have to get what I have dubbed the Wrestling Essential, and my 880 car group on Facebook will agree. We getting ourselves some Panda Express.
This is my place. Fuck you.
Well, this is the Wrestling Essential.
No, this is
we
my
turned
place.
this into a thing for the 880 car group. This is our place.
Yeah, but I wanted it before them. So
You're not
it's
even a
mine.
person. Damn, that got her mad.
Taking your wallet. Goodbye.
Wild. I'm being thieveried. Peace. It's 10 in the morning. We got home a little after 12:15 last night from Buckeye. As you can see, she's sleeping. We're on the road at 7:30 this morning to head out to the Danger Invitational, Josh Crane show. I believe I'm going to be in a triple threat, and hopefully you'll get some clips from that, and hopefully today I'll remember to get some videos with some peeps. There should be a lot of cool people there today, so we shall see. I am a sleepy boy. Peace.
A dream! Aaron Daniels!
Who's making music now, idiots? Who's great now? Aristotle sucks! Aristotle sucks! Aristotle sucks! Aristotle sucks! Don't forget, son! Yes! Oh! I can see! Oh! Yeah, there we go. Oh!
Look how disgusting these two are. Absolutely disgusting. What a vlog debut for you, Kat.
Hell yeah, brother. No other way to do it.
This is just unapologetically them
I love
as
holes.
people.
What?
Especially Dylan's. Hey yo! We here at Smash Burger. We got some sweet potato fries, the Big Herb. Old Nitro over here got loaded fries and Sleepy Hollow. And Saturn's sad without his food.
Now you gotta bleep it out, stupid.
When there's a wild cut here, you know that Saturn did something stupid. Like he always does. We should beat him more.
You know what you should do? You should just like find like.
It is Monday. We got home yesterday a little after 10. I rolled my ankle pretty bad in the match, so I might be going to the ER today. But yeah, I just wanted to, sign off. We had the Rissels and the Rassels. The Danger Invitational was a solid success for his first one. Let's hope he decides to keep doing it and it keeps growing. You wrestled Saturday.
Yeah, it was fun. I wrestled Georgia South.
Yeah, she's too happy. We beat her up more.
Yeah, how dare she be
Young and happy and wonderful.
and not from Georgia? It's just her name.
Gross. She's from like Kentucky or West Virginia or something. Probably West Virginia, I think.
Yeah, I think West Virginia.
Ew, imagine being from West Virginia. Couldn't be me. Gross. It's almost as bad as being from Dayton.
Or Colchester, Connecticut.
Good thing I was born in Bridgeport, Connecticut.
You're still from Colchester, Connecticut.
No proof. Prove it.
Okay. Someone just add a clip here of you getting announced.
It's a good thing I'm the one that edits this, so
I
that
know,
will
but
not
that's
be
what-
happening. But yeah, this is the sign off of the vlog. I don't say this often, but if you watch, you enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps the algorithm.
Yeah, I
And
guess
it
that
pushes
makes
the
sense.
stuff. That's why I need to start pushing it and saying that more, but like it feels weird to say. But yeah. Appreciate y'all and see you in the next one.